everybody, welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Sanaa from So Crafty Sanaa, and I'm back with my Cash App video. Okay, so this video today, I'm just going to do a bill swap, a bill condensing. I'm just going to go through envelopes and exchange small bills for large bills so I can put all the small bills in the bank. If I do need to do any placeholders, $500 placeholders, I will do. This is fake money, and so I will replace money if it's too much in an envelope and put the rest of the money in a bank. So I don't think I really have anything. Oh, I do. My kids' envelope. So let's see. It says we have $1,440. We already have the $1,000 placeholder. So let's see what we can do here. So we have 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 120, 140, 160, 180, 200, 220, 240, 260, 280, 290, 300. So I know I can do 300 there. And I'm just going to count that again. So that's 300. So let's see. 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 120, 140, 160, 180, 200, 220, 240, 260, 280, 290, 300. Okay. So I am going to put the 20 and the 10s there. I took 300 and then I had 10, 20, 30, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90. So I actually have $90. So I'm actually going to just do $80. I know. Just let me do it in my own way. Okay. Just let me figure it out. 10, 20, 30, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80. Just let me do it in my own way, y'all. I'm gonna get to the end one way or another, but I don't know if y'all watch my other kids. For some reason, I just can't wrap my head around doing it the right way. So needless to say, we just want to do it my way. So now we have 1,000, 100, 200, 300, 350, 370, 390, 410, 430, 435, 440, 1,440, and the envelope is tight. There you go. Alrighty, so for my daughter, she has the same 1,440. Alrighty, so let's go ahead and swap it out. 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 120, 140, 160, 180, 200, 220, 240, 260, 270, 280, 290, 300, 310, 320, 330, 340, 350, 355, 360, 365, 370, 375, 380, 385, 390. So 390, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. All right, so here's 300. So I'm going to put 300 here. I got to count it again, y'all. I make mistakes. 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 120, 140, 160, 180, 200, 220, 240, 260, 270, 280, 290, 300. I know what y'all going to say. So that's 300. So I have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. I'll take a 50. And then I know I told you I can't get my head right. Shut up. 1, 2, wait a minute, 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. 20, 40. No, see, this is already the money. What am I? Wait, I told you I was going to mess up. Like, who in the hell? Let me see. 1,000, 100, 200, 300, 350, 400, 400, 420, 440. So I'm only supposed to have 1,440. So 1,000, 100, 200, 300, 350, 400, 1,400, 420, 440. Didn't I just get finished telling y'all I'm going to screw this up? Because every time I go to swap bills in my mind, I lose it. I could have just did it. Oh, I don't have 500 in each. Okay. But wait. All right. Let me just get rid of these bills. I feel like I did something wrong, but I'm not even going to. I should have counted this money before I did it, but oh well. If I mess up, it's all my money at the end of the day and it's going somewhere. So let's see. What do we have here? Oh no, I did all I could do. I could do a 10. So I'm going to give those two and give this. But I do have 20, 50. I could, okay, so that's a 50. I could take this 50. Told y'all it don't make sense to me. But just bear with me. I'll get through the video. Just bear with me. Okay. Alrighty. So dress game. I'm always using that envelope. Allowance has $85. I'm not really going to swap that. I don't think. I'm not going to swap that. Let me check, let's check home maintenance. But I use, no, house cash, no. House clean, household. I don't know that I really need to swap. Car maintenance, let's see. So car maintenance has 100, 200, okay. 100, 200, 300, 400, 500. Oh my gosh. Stop. 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. All right, so I'm going to sit that 100 there and put this there. Let's count it again, and then I'll get it out the way, because 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. All right, let's get that 100 out the way. 20, 30, 40, 50. All right, so let's get that 50 there. 20, 30, 40, 50. So I'm going to put the 3 10s and the 20. I put that 50 there. So we have 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. So I'll leave the 5s. I'll leave that there. Okay. I hope I did right. So I have 1,000, 100, 200, 300, 350, 355, 360, 365, 66, 67, 68, 69. 1,369. Okay. Medical doesn't have enough. Savings has $3,075, but yeah, I mean, I could just go ahead and take 20, 40, 50. I could take that 50, put it here, 20. Okay, so that's 50. You know, and then what I'm going to do is go back through and then swipe out all the bills that I could do for the 20. Y'all know, I keep telling y'all, I can't wrap my head around this the right way. But at the end of the day, y'all get what I'm trying to do, right? So, and you guys, these sinking fund binders, I do sell. All of my products are on my website, and the description below the video is the links for everything, just so you guys know, because I always get questions in the comments. I don't think people read the description box, but nonetheless, everything that I sell on my website, everything is linked down below. Subscriptions. Let's see. So we have 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100, 5, 10, 15, 16, 17. So let's see. 15, 5, 10, 15, 16, 17. So we have 20, 30, 40, 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. Okay. So I'm going to leave the 50s there, and I'll go ahead and add that. I'll take these 5s, the 10 and the 20, and I'll put that there, and then I will just leave that. No biggie. All right, so let's see. All right, let's see what we have. I don't think I need to, 100, okay. 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. All right, might as well get rid of that 100. 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. Let's get rid of it. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. Might as well get rid of that 100. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. Okay. So let's just get rid of that. And then we have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we have $309. Is that correct? Yes. $309 in it. Fun money. Let's see what fun money is. 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 120, 130, 140, 150, 160, 170, 175, 180, 181. Now, in case I need change, I am going to leave that there. Tech, giveaways, Black Friday is good. Gifts, that's good. Travel. What do I have in travel? It says I have $235. So 150, 20, 40. So I can do 20, 40, 60, 70, 75, 80, 85. So I can do a 20 and a 10. Take that 50. Then I have 20, 25, 30, 35. So I took the 50 and the 10. Alrighty, so we have 100, 150, 200, 220, 225, 230, 235. So I have 235 in travel. And all of that money there goes back in the bank. So that's why I'm willing to swap out the little bills for the big bills, and they're going into the bank anyway. So let's see. What's in fun money? Fun money has 181, 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 120, 130, 140, 150, 160, 170, 175, 180, 181. Okay, I'll leave that. I do need to get some ones because, let's see. Pets has $55. Debt only has 103. Lawn care, not much in this binder. So no need to condense there. I did me money. I don't think there's anything in here. What's in here? Student loans. What do I have? 50, 70, 90, 110, 130, 150, 170, 190, 210, 233, 230, 250, 270, 280, 285, 290, 295, 296. Yeah, 296. So I can get 250s. Let's see. Let's see. So, what, 250s? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that equals 100. I'm going to put the 50. I'll put that there. 20, 40, 60, 80, 90. Oh my gosh, y'all can't count. 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. Two more 50s, as you can see, and I'll take that 20 there, and then that's that. So let's see. 50, 100, 50, 100, 150, 200, 250, 270, 280, 285, 290, 295, 296. Okay. So that adds up $296 in student loans. Ramadan meals, I don't need to condense. We're going to spend that cash on the month of Ramadan. Business, I didn't put anything into business. So it says I have another $50 bill. So technically, let me get rid of that $50. Let me see if I can. Because this is going to spend. I'm not worried about that. Planner stuff only has 35, retirement 10, dry clean has 61, rollovers, payback. I don't have enough money to condense that. But I do have fun money. Can I? Let me see. So I can do 20 and 50. I'll take that 50. And then 20, that's 40, 50. I'll take that 50. Okay. So I can take, I have two 10s. I want to put that up and take a 20. And then that's enough. Okay. So this is $100 here. And I'm going to put that back there. And let's see, we should have 181. 50, 100, 120, 140, 160, 170, 175, 180, 181. Okay. That worked out. And let's see. What's giveaways? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 10. So 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. So let's see, 5, 10, 15, 20. So I'll take those 5, that's a 20, and I'll put the 20 here. I like to have change when I have to break down my bills sometimes, so I do like to have some change. Black Friday is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. So I'll take 3 20s, 1, 2, 3. And I'll do Black Friday like that. Gifts. Gifts has forfeit, so I don't need to. But you know what? No, I need change. I broke travel down already, right? All right, so what else can I break down? I don't like to exchange the small bills for envelopes that I know I normally spend money in because I'm going to need to get change eventually. So house clean, 50. So 50, 100, 120, 140, 160, 180. Yeah, it's no need. That's 20s and 5s. So I really think I condensed as much as I could before I put that money in the bank. Subscriptions. I think I did it all. I'm not gonna lie. Am I missing something? Pets. The only other thing would be kids. That would be the only other thing. Dress game, I always have to get changed, so I don't wanna, I always have to get change. So I don't wanna do that. Allowance, let's see, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. So I can just take that and then through 3 20s. And that's 85. But allowance has, yup, 85. Okay. Small bills, the better. Toiletries has 50, 100, 110, 120, 25, 26, 27, 20. Okay, so can't touch toiletries. It is what it is. Activities, grants, that's it. Hobby stuff only has 55. Oh, life insurance. It's not too much I could do with life insurance. Let's see. 10, 20, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60. $60. So let's count it again. 10, 20, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60. Okay, so we're going to do. And then take 3 20s. 20, 40, 60. I told y'all I can't count. All right, so we should have $525 here. So 100, 120, 140, 160, 180, 200, 220, 240, 260, 280, 300, 320, 340, 360, 380, 400, 420, 440, 460, 480, 500, 520, 525. So we have 525. All right, I think I condensed as much as I could. Okay, you guys, that was it. I had a bunch of 50s and 100s. I barely had any 5s and I didn't have any 5s and 10s. So, I mean, I did swap some bills out. Okay, so I have to count this. I am not going to count this. I don't feel like it. They run these through money machines at the bank. I do not feel like counting that. Okay, guys, so I condensed my bills as much as I could. Thank you all so much for tuning in. Please stay tuned for my next video. I appreciate y'all. Bye.